There's a nice pool also here, oh. Full of jelly. See, look.
How much my baby go to there?
Yeah, very good. See, look. Red jellyfish.
Go to the back.
Wow, 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 wow. See, look, there are plenty of holes there. See? Wow. What is that? Oh, yee. Look at that. See? Look at that. Yes. Is that shell? Jeremy, is that shell, Jeremy? Down here? Huh? Jeremy, get the shell, Jeremy. Jeremy, you get the shell. Come here. Over there, oh. Is that shell, right?
Nah, it's a dead shell.
Jeremy,
It's
come
a
here.
rock.
Huh?
It's a rock.
No. Jeremy, get the shell, Jeremy. Over there, oh, see? Look, look. Under. Get the shell. See that, see that? You get the shell. Did you see that? Yes, that's the right one. Take it. Take.
Halo ko na to, uy.
Dili na siya lalim. It's not deep. Di makuha? Nakuha, anong ihulog? Yes, that's it. Good shell.
I want to find my
Okay,
plate.
I can put it in. Yes.
Don't show. I told you have to
Is
be
it snail,
careful.
Mom?
Yeah, you have to do.
Snail.
Yes. There's no paper.
Put it in the bucket or something.
Yeah, pocket. Here, put in the pocket, Jeremy.
Don't expose
No,
it.
have a pocket.
In
Why?
your one, but your one.
No, because if they are holding, it's dangerous.
It's not dangerous, Jeremy, right?
Yeah.
Maybe can you show me the video?
You give it. Put it in your pocket.
I hold it.
Yeah, hold it. That's very nice.
Don't hold it. Put it in your pocket. Don't expose it. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, this is very nice, like an aquarium, you know. Let's find here anyway. Yeah, it's like an aquarium. Here, Jeremy. Come, this one, Jeremy. Come.
Rock.
Yeah, rock of ages, clear for me.
Find the treasure.
No, no, it's not a t-shirt.
But bring some knife.
Yeah, bring that one. That's our souvenir here in Bahura.
What?
Yeah. See? So there are plenty of shells. Jimmy, get this one, Jimmy. This is a shell. That one. That one. Small one. Yeah, put it in the pocket, Jimmy. Yee! Find another shell, Jimmy. They are hiding. Yee!
No.
Come here, Jimmy.
Yeah, the big one. I can out.
Huh? Yeah, come here. Come.
No.
Are you John? Are you John? Are you John? Are you John? Come here. Shell. Nice kayo parang aquarium. Hello, there's a crab under the one. Hello, there are plenty of crab. Wait, I have bucket. I will take you. Yes.
Can you bring up a mom?
Huh? Yeah, you can bring that one. Wow, that's the seaweed, guys. Seaweed. Yeah.
This is a nice pool to sit down.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
In your black bag.
No, my son doesn't. Don't worry because when we go out, we had put in the pocket, in his pocket. Just no one sees us. Nobody sees us. Yeah. So guys, this is nice, guys. Look at the waves. Look at the waves. Look at the waves here in Maroubra. Super strong waves. Oh, look. Look at the waves. Look at the waves. Wow. This is very nice. Look. And Jeremy is searching the... You know, are you searching some...
Snail?
Yes, not snail shell. Ala, umang mo na. Nak, abi ko na. Nak, give it to me. Ay, yeah, shell. That is shell. Small
Yeah,
shell.
where's it going? Helicopter. Emergency.
Yeah.
Where's it going?
Shell. Yay. Take it, take it. Basa tali, basa. Ang good is shell. Ay. Look at the wave coming here. Yes, so pretty. So wave.
Look at that. What's that?
Yes, yes.
Let's go.
Yeah, go.
Wow.
Hala, ayaw ka na crab, Jeremy, oh. May crab.
Huh?
May crab.
Huh?
May crab. Oh,
Huh?
crab.
Crab.
Yes.
What crab?
Crab, good. Ay. Dali, duta ana ko
I get a crab because I'm so scared.
Yeah, don't go there kay magkagat ka sa crab.
Let's go, Ma. Go.
Yeah.
I'll hold it that one.
Huh?
I'll hold it.
What? Yeah, you hold that one. Come. Ayun, nahulog. Yeah, the shell to. Makao na. Yes. Ah, the first shell, Jeremy, ay. Jeremy, kunin mo to, Jeremy. The shell is there, oh. Jeremy, take this one, oh. Shell. Try. Nag-yahayang ko, try. See? See? Ilagay mo lang dyan. Ilagay mo lang. Kunin mo yan. See? Kunin mo yan. Kana, oh, na, naghayang. Yes. Yes. Kunin mo. Yes. Kunin mo na. Ay. Wala. Hindi ay. Tura ay. Hulog. Oh, tura. Dikit. Sa stone. Yes, that's one. Yeah. Dagkar ko yung kaura. Dikit siya sa buwan.
Rock.
Yeah, ilagay mo siya. Para. Yeah. Oh, sige. We find another one. Yeah. Yes.